Hey guys, ElleAye Curlz here. Welcome to my channel, and if you're a loyal subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. But before I start this video, I want to clear up or deal with three things. One, I apologize for any interruptions, any noises that you may hear because it's daytime and people live around here, so I am so sorry. Number two, where have I been? This isn't the video for that, so to sum it all up, I have been learning some lifelong lessons. Let's just say that. Number three, let's get rid of the elephant in the room. Did I relax my hair? Because it's ElleAye Curlz and I have straight hair. No, I didn't relax my hair. This is actually a blowout and it's been lasting very long. She did a great job. Like, she did an awesome job. Today actually makes, I think, a month. Wow. But yeah, I did not relax my hair and I didn't relax my hair. This is just a blowout, and you would actually know that if you were following me on Instagram. Go follow me. Thanks. But yeah, let's get into the video, guys. I was pleasantly surprised when I went on Instagram and I asked persons if they were still interested in this channel and if I should still post or whatever. Persons were saying to make it a lifestyle channel. They are still interested in the channel. Yes, do beauty videos, but mostly hair videos, you know, my journey tutorials and stuff like that. Keep doing those because they like those, so I'm gonna come back with those kind of videos. Yeah, I was pleasantly surprised when persons were saying that they wanted me to continue. Thanks, it means a lot, you know. But I have been trying to create a skin regimen, I guess, like to take care of my skin. As you can see in some of my videos, I've been dabbling into makeup because I never really wore makeup before, but now I'm wearing it kind of almost on a daily basis, sort of, kind of. I'm not wearing any now. This is all me. Skin gonna be on fleek. But yeah, so after I started wearing makeup, I realized that my skin started looking and feeling different. So now I really need a skin regimen. So I'm just going to show you guys the things that I got. So to start it off, I've heard a lot about Thayers. It's the Thayers Witch Hazel Aloe Vera formula, and it has rose petal in it. It's a facial mist, and a lot of persons on Pinterest and on YouTube and stuff swear by this as a toner. So I thought I'd try this out. And then another thing that a few persons were raving about is the Dr. Bronner's soap. So I didn't know which one to get, so I got all. They had this package on Amazon with all 8 of the scents, and that's what I got. It's like little mini bottles. So there's the lavender. It smells really good. I'm not usually a lavender person, but it smells really good. And rose. I hate the smell of flowers, real flowers, but surprisingly this is like my favorite. I think this is my favorite. It smells really, really good. And there's the eucalyptus. It smells earthy. There's the peppermint. Obviously it smells like peppermint, true to its name. This one is citrus. It does smell citrusy, but you know, sometimes when you smell things that have a citrus flavor, it kind of burns your nose, like it's very strong. This one isn't. This one is tea tree. I don't really know how tea tree smells. I never had the oil. Okay, it doesn't smell really, really good, but it smells good. 7 is the baby unscented. It actually doesn't really have a scent. Well, it has a scent, but it doesn't really have a scent. It's like fresh. So the last one is almond. It smells pretty good. I like almond oils. It smells pretty good. So yeah, this is supposed to be like an all natural soap, an 18-in-1 kind of soap where you can use it for a bunch of things. It's supposed to be, I guess, vegan or vegan friendly. You can use it to shave, use it as a shampoo. You can shower and bathe with it. You can mop. You can use it for laundry. You can use it to do everything. Just clean, wash your dishes, clean the house. This is supposed to be an all-purpose soap. I've never used it for all those things. I only got it for my face, and I don't think I'm gonna ever really use it as a shampoo either. But yeah, you should look at it. People rave about this and they speak very highly of it, so you know, look into that. So these next few things I didn't really get from Amazon, but I thought I'd insert them into the video anyways because it's about beauty and skincare and I bought them. These are some face masks. These ones came, I think this one came from Sephora, I believe, but these that came from Bath and Body. And sorry for the light, guys. But yeah, this one is a petal infused hydro gel mask with green tea. It's for rejuvenating and it's a sheet, so these are the instructions right here. So you just, you know, you wash your face and then you put the mask on for whatever amount of time they tell you to, and then you peel it off. And if they say to wash the excess off, then you wash it off, or they may tell you, like this one says, to massage the excess product into your skin, so you don't wash it off. But yeah, that's this one. This one is a mud mask with soothing witch hazel and honeysuckle. And this other one is a 2-in-1, a 2-step, 10-minute 2-step single-use kit. And it's green tea and activated charcoal. So this one has a deep cleansing face cleanser, and then the second step is the pore purifying face mask. So yeah, I've been using masks here and there. I want to use them every week, but it gets so hectic. And yeah, I'm also going to try this the clay mask. Is the one where you can use it on your face and your hair, but I'm not going to do that right now because I want to, when I revert my hair back, I want to use the clay mask, so I'm gonna use it on my face and hair at the same time and probably do a video for you guys. But yeah, I've been using masks here and there, and the little $4 ones from Sephora as well. I'll insert a picture if I remember. This is a beauty blender display stand, and I got this because, you know, you can't have your sponge because you're wetting it and putting it on your face, you can't have it laying around anywhere, and you can't put it in a closed up bag or anything like your makeup bag. So I got this to rest it in here so that it helps sanitary place to be, and it will be able to breathe and dry with, you know, dry properly. So yeah, I'll leave the link for everything I got in the description. And then I also got, now these things are going to be more for hair. I got one of these. I saw YouTubers had this and I thought it was so cute and practical because it's supposed to be like a, I can't remember. It's a spray bottle if you didn't know. And it sprays continuously, so as you, I have water in this, I don't want to do it. So as you spray down, you keep on pulling it down, it continuously sprays instead of, like, you know, having to do this and it's not coming out. But yeah, it sprays continuously and evenly. I tested it out, not on my hair, but like I just tested it out and it sprays beautifully. So I just thought I'd get one. You know how we're, as naturals, we're not supposed to be using towels to dry our hair because it's very harsh in the hair, so we use cotton t-shirts or whatever. But they have this, it looks like a towel but it's very soft, and it's the shape of, it has like this weird shape. You wring out your hair and put this on it, and then you would twist it, and there's this thing here that you would latch on to the button in the back, and then you'd latch it on and you'd be walking around the house like this to dry your hair off. I thought that was so cute. So yeah, I got one of those. I haven't tested it out as yet because my hair is straight, but I guess I'll come back in a video and let you guys know how that's working for me. But the reviews were pretty good. The Tangle Teezer wet detangling hairbrush. So for those of you that may have tried to order one, they only ship to the UK. If you don't live in the US, and you probably can't order from there either, just in case you can't order from the UK, from the actual company or the US stores, then you can get one off of Amazon, because that's how I got this one. I haven't opened it as yet. I'm gonna open it now. But what I used to use is one of these, and this is, I think, a shampoo brush or a scalp massage kind of thing, but I used it to detangle my hair, and this is bomb. It was for $1 and some change, I think, if you add that. I haven't used it as yet, obviously, because my hair isn't curly right now, but I will be using it in my upcoming videos, and you guys will be able to see how it works for me. But that's all the stuff I got that I can remember. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't too long. But yeah, it's good to be back. I'll try to be more consistent, and let me know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see, what kind of hair tutorials for when I go back to being kinky, curly, coily. Let me know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in my next one.